A car torque wrench ensures precise bolt tightening, prevents over or under tightening, and maintains vehicle safety. My today's video is about top 5 best car torque wrench that's are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at EPAuto car torque wrench. The car torque wrench is a reliable and precise tool for anyone needing accurate bolt tightening. Constructed from hardened chrome vanadium (CRV) steel alloy with a corrosion-resistant satin finish, it ensures durability and long-lasting performance. Its knurled, non-slip handle provides a secure and comfortable grip, making it easy to use even in challenging conditions. The high-contrast, dual-range scale allows for quick and accurate torque readings, while the pre-calibrated design ensures +or-4 accuracy. A clear click alerts you when the preset torque value is reached, preventing over-tightening and protecting bolts and vehicle components. The included 1/2 drive 5 extension bar enhances versatility, reaching tight or awkward spaces effortlessly. For convenient storage and organization, the wrench comes with a sturdy plastic case that keeps it safe and accessible. Combining durability, accuracy, and ease of use, this torque wrench is an essential tool for professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts alike. Now our second product is Coobeast car torque wrench. The Coobeast Preset Torque Screwdriver is a high-quality, durable tool designed for precision and reliability. Housed in a sturdy storage box, the set includes a 1/4 magnetic bit holder and 12 alloy steel S2 bits, ensuring quick bit changes and long-lasting performance. With a torque range of 10 to 70 in-lbs and an accuracy of +or-2 in-lbs, it provides precise control for various tasks, from bike repairs and tool maintenance to firearms and scope mounting. The clear main display and redline alignment scale make reading torque values simple and error-free. A distinct click sound signals when the preset torque is reached, preventing over-tightening and ensuring consistent results. Adjusting the torque is easy. Unlock the wheel, rotate to the desired value, and lock it in place for secure operation. Heavy-duty, versatile, and user-friendly, this screwdriver is a reliable companion for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike, backed by Coobeast's responsive customer service and quality assurance. Our third product is Vanpo car torque wrench. The 1/4 inch pound torque wrench is a precise, durable, and user-friendly tool designed for accuracy and reliability. Featuring a dual-range scale of 20 to 240 in-lb, 2.3 to 27.1 Nm, it provides quick and accurate readings, ideal for bicycles, electronics, and light machinery requiring lower torque levels. Its click-type design delivers a clear sound and tactile feedback when the preset torque is reached, preventing over-tightening and ensuring consistent results. Constructed with an aluminum shaft for fatigue resistance, a high-quality steel spring, and a chromium molybdenum steel handle, this wrench is rust-resistant and built to last. Setting the torque is simple. Pull down the locking knob, adjust to the desired value, and release to secure. For storage, it comes with a sturdy plastic case, keeping the wrench organized and protected. Perfect for tightening bolts, nuts, handlebars, brakes, derailleurs, and other bicycle components, this torque wrench combines precision, durability, and ease of use, supported by a 24-month warranty and responsive customer service. Now number 4, EE car torque wrench. The 50-piece master bike toolkit is a comprehensive, high-precision solution for bicycle, e-bike, and motorcycle maintenance. At its core is a 1/4 drive torque wrench with dual torque range, 10 to 230 lbf and /1 to 26.0 Nm, and +or-3 accuracy, allowing precise tightening to prevent damage from over or under torquing. Each wrench includes a calibration certificate with a traceable serial number for reliability. The click-stop mechanism provides clear audible and tactile feedback, ensuring accurate torque application every time. The reversible 72-tooth ratchet head and quick-release button enable smooth directional changes and fast socket swapping. The kit includes a wide variety of bit sockets, hex, Torx, Phillips, Posey, slotted, Robertson, as well as adapters, a universal joint, drill adapter, and extension bar, all stored neatly in a protective case. Crafted from high-strength CRV steel and aerospace-grade aluminum, this torque wrench and accessory set is durable, rust-resistant, and built to last. Ideal for enthusiasts and professionals, it combines precision, versatility, and long-term reliability. And our last choice is Gronier car torque wrench. The Gronier 3/8 digital torque wrench is a highly precise and versatile tool designed for professional and DIY use. With a torque range of 5 to 99.6 ft-lbs, 6.8 to 135 Nm, and plus or minus 2 accuracy, its no-delay LED display shows real-time torque values, allowing for precise adjustments as you work. The ratchet head features a rapid socket replacement design, making it easy to switch between tasks without interrupting your workflow. Equipped with 6 preset modes and the ability to store up to 500 datasets, this wrench keeps track of your work history for consistent results. User-friendly features include a buzzer and flashing LED indicators to alert you when approaching or reaching preset torque values, preventing over or under tightening. The ergonomic, non-slip handle reduces hand fatigue, while the large backlit LCD ensures easy reading even in dim environments. The kit includes universal socket plugs, an extension bar, adapters, AAA battery, and a storage case, offering convenience, versatility, and ready-to-use functionality for any torque application. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.